have some more questions, but the more I learn, the more comfortable I feel about it.
Banging our head on the desk and wondering why it hurts.
Getting on that path is easier than you think.
For information and to purchase tickets, www.pac.com.
62 years old and I really enjoy listening to your show.
I'll talk about that a little more after the break.
holy cow, that's what we're looking for. It's all waterlogged. That one is, at least. Surprised that damn thing even runs. December 7th, 1941. A date which will live. It's late April, 2022. Found an old radio in a closet at work. Guess working the night shift at the old folks' home has its perks. I only wanted to get a good look at the circuits inside, see how this joint works. What I didn't expect was to get entangled in such a terrible monstrosity of electrical organs. The good thing is, if Leslie is really dead, then I can say anything I want about her.
That's fair.
The week passed, and on Sunday night I found that my mind could not rest. I needed to find out who was responsible. As I lay awake in bed, I remember on the back of the radio there was a sticker that said, Leslie's Radio Service, Superior, Nebraska. I've never been to Nebraska, but the computers at Google have done a fine job taking color photographs of every square inch of the universe. Shiver me timbers. There aren't any photos of Leslie's radio service. Foiled. The Google Street View is yet to cover East 4th Street, Superior, Nebraska. This is not good. Fortunately, I was able to get a decent view of the old radio shop via a photo of the Mexican restaurant on the corner. In the photo, way off to the side, is a perfect view of the building addressed 138 East 4th Street. Dish Network. Corporate scum. So this is the building, once owned by a humble repairman, now taken over by one of the biggest telecom companies on the planet. Superior, Nebraska. Population, 1957. That was a very good year. The building, by the way, appears to have been built in the year 1910. That was before every American had a radio in their home. Well, before my time, anyhow. I searched the internet far and wide. Little did I know that I could have done an easy job for myself had I just put the words Leslie Erickson, Superior, Nebraska into the Google. Oh, dear me. The most conclusive thing I was able to find was a record of several Leslie Ericksons. One of them definitely appears to be living, given the fact that this electronic newspaper has him described in the present tense. It's even possible that his wife is still alive. It is true that the old folks' home is located within 100 miles of Mesa, Arizona. This was the most significant piece of evidence I could find to link the two. Wherever you are, Leslie, I hope that you are doing well. Thank you for your repairs. Now the future generations can discover this technology and enjoy it for themselves.